Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog at Printa's Vlog. Today I'm going to show you a quick way how I clean my silver jewelries. First, the things which we need is a pot, a cup of water, baking soda, a spoon, a piece of aluminium foil, and the silver jewelries. First, pour in the water into the pot. Second, put the pot on the stove. Third, let the water boil. Once the water starts boiling, next step, you roll this foil into a round ball like this. Then you put this foil into the pot with the boiling water. Once you have done that, take the baking soda, use the tablespoon, and take 1 tablespoon amount. Once you have taken that, add that into the boiling water too. Let it boil a bit more. Then you add your silver jewelry in it too. Leave it for 10 minutes, depending on how your jewelry are tarnished. So mine, I'm going to leave it for more than 10 minutes because mine is more tarnished, as you can see. If the tarnish is quite tough to come out, you can use a brush. In my case, I'm going to use this wire brush to scrub it out. And after scrubbing, I'm going to put back my locket into the boiling water. This ring looks good as new. So we can take it out, put it on a dry tissue and wipe it dry. Now, same step, do my chain and my locket. Here I have my jewelry as good as new. You can use the same method with all your silver things at home. So hope this video helps you. So catch me on another vlog at Brinda's Vlog.